That's what my game plan is for young.
Trading the ES is here. Up $1,420 right now. $13.50. I must need to get out here pretty soon.
I'm going to get back to crude chart in a minute.
It's pretty bearish though.
But yeah, there's a much longer term trend line, guys, down here in Slob.
I think I'm going to hold in actually.
78-ish area.
See what this is doing here.
Depending on how you draw it, maybe it's not perfect. It might be
70
more,
puts.
78.50. Yeah, it's probably right there. It's probably like 78,
$1,630, $1,735.
Bounce.
See what's going on here. The ticks are all negative.
Slob around 79. Slumberjay.
We're falling below support.
But as you can see here on the 6-month daily chart, we just broke two new lows.
Here we go.
On the 1-year daily chart, we just broke two new lows.
We might make another $1,500 right here.
We are now back into the basically
see what's going on.
2013 levels. And longer term trend line down here, like I said, around 78 to 79-ish.
Ticks are still bearish.
Also in that space, lost key support. Remember, I got in this, saw it wasn't working, got out. You know what I mean? I'm glad I did.
Now we're up 18,
Weatherford's
19,
another one. Baker Hughes just hit another lows.
45.
I'm sorry, Weatherford just hit new 52-week lows.
Still looking like it's falling
Baker
though.
Hughes holding up a little bit better.
Up $2 grand.
Cameron CAM is another one in the space.
2100. I've been waiting for this
Diamond
day.
Offshore.
Just beautiful.
Halliburton. You name it. So anyway, getting back to crude, for those who may have missed it before, there's a much longer term trend line support. The blue dashed line, folks, I think that's going to be money down here. Between 45 and 50, where I think crude will be a generational buy. Could be a generational buy. No matter what, it's going to be a short-term buy.
Shorts.
You know what I mean? All right, cool. Yum guys, 72, 75. Just sold another piece of Yum. They took it from me. YUM,
Futures.
Yankee Uniform Mike, 72, 79 now, new intraday highs. So I just sold another half for $1.
Breaking through that support that I have up there. Anyhow, I'm going to stop this video and
the last piece,
get out of this trade. I'll let you guys know how I do. I'll clip it in. Thanks a lot for watching. Trading options. I'm D-Block on Thinkorswim. In the swim lessons, the chat room, Shadow Trader. Hit me up. Make some money. Here we go. Let's see. We're making money now.
That's what's great.
Back over 2100.
Sometimes you find story stocks and
70
you
pack.
just go with it. A trade setup is a trade setup.
We're gonna make $5 grand a day. Wouldn't that be nice? Maybe not 5, but maybe 2 or 3. Block back here, coming to you with my option trade I was showing you guys earlier. I ended up getting out of that one, the 205.50 put on the weeklies. It turned around on me real quick with a lot of momentum, and I got out. I was up $2 grand on it. Unfortunately, I only got out with 1,070, but off of, I don't know, it was $6 grand. That's not a bad return in about 20 minutes. And then I just went ahead and threw down $2,000. No, let me see what did I get that last one for? Okay, I bought. I paid $110. And I got out at 151 on 20 contracts, 20 puts, which netted me out another $820 in just a few minutes, about 10, 12 minutes. Saw the futures starting to crack. They cracked through support. The point of control right here. They started cracking. As soon as they cracked, I bought it to go down. It's exactly what it did. It's bouncing off the value area low. So we're getting a pop back up here. But I got my chart settings right here. You know, if it was to break through this 2039 on the futures. Sorry about that. There you go. Right there. That's why I bet it to go down, because it cracked through that support level. The ticks, the NYSE ticks, the NYSE ticks were down. We hit minus 1115, which was during my trade, which was excellent. They're bouncing off of value area low. What do you know? They bounced from 203.87 all within about 6-7 minutes. We're all the way back up to 2004.17. We got the ticks that actually control the S&P 500, and they're positive again as well. That's why you can see the spider. That's what I trade, the SPYs. Anyhow, not a bad day on Wall Street in the living room, making almost $1,900 minus commission, which was approximately $200, if that. Well, that's a good round number to be guessing about. Anyhow, lots of opportunity here. I'm going to be putting out my own little book on trading options. Hopefully you guys will purchase it, and I will also give free consultation to anyone, possibly to a limited extent. And you can trade with me. I'm going to be setting up a real-time deal as well, so we can share the trades as we go along through this market. But here we are again. The spider kind of just sitting there. But I knew we were going to get a bounce, and that's why I got out off that value area low of the S&P futures, the ESs. Down and around 2033 was the low. Was the low support, which we actually broke. I'm sorry. There you go. So I was looking at support at 2033. We actually went down an extra quarter. I got out at 2033 and a 3/4 because I knew it wasn't going much lower. And there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day, and I hope to trade with you one of these days. Take care. Back here, I just couldn't get away from trading another one. Another $480 profit. Let's see here. Come on, focus in, buddy. There it is. Total of 2370. Market started cracking again, so I had to couldn't help myself. Ticks were down. See, I got in somewhere around here. Somewhere in here. Wrote it down. Got out right there. Missed the super low. I would have made an extra $100 maybe. Anyhow, let's see what I put on this trade. This one I put $3,800. $3,800, and I made $480, I guess. Not a bad return for a quick minute. Now I'm kind of wishing I would have held in just a little bit longer. Well, market's right where I got out, so that's not too bad. I like to do these swing trades. They're safe. There's no time decay on your options. been a decent day. HowTo would have just hung into my first position on my 205.50 weekly put. I would have made 10 grand today, but I just can't. Sometimes I can't stomach it when I have a nice profit already in there. Sometimes it's just good to get out with another winner. And then when you see another opportunity, just get right back in. See, look, the market turns so fast, it's already up another, what, 10 cents or whatever, which would be, there's them ESs, so it's already up another 2.5 points since the low, 3 points. Ticks are all back up. Market's going up for the short term. And that's what I like to do. I like to get in on these short-term swings, put some money to work. Well, now you see the day. I'm done. I'm done. I just need to close this computer today. But fun day. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll talk to you. Email me, like, comment, whatever. Thanks a lot. And this is why you want to be nimble when you trade. You know, there's all kinds of traders out there, but my strategy is get in, get out, scalp, get a nice move, flow with the trend. When it starts to turn on you, that's when you just get out. You can tell it's turning by the ticks. New York Stock Exchange, money sign tick. Boom, pull that up on your charts. Pull up your tick SP if you want to trade the spider. That's what I do. That's where I'm most successful, so that's what I stick to. I used to go in and try and trade all these stocks, and it's like trading in the blind, because you can't tell the true selling and the true buying. So you can get a momentum moving average, which is what I have set up here. You can see the trends just obviously heading down. That's the market. That's today. But you can see that little bounce. Boom, I got out. I could have even flipped around, but I've almost spent all the money. I've spent 12 grand today. I made almost 2,400 bucks. I only had about 12 grand buying power. No, let's see. I spent about 12,000. No, 11,000. Spent 11,400. Let's put it that way. Now that's worth 13,884. Bringing the portfolio up to 16 G's. Alright, so I'm on my way. I made 4 grand in the last 3 weeks. So that's not bad off of such a small amount using the strategy. Anyhow, these guys help too. Think or swim. Shadow trader. They're talking about crude. Crude's tanking. It's continuing to tank. We're going to see a 50 handle. It's a good actual play. Shorting crude. Light sweet crude futures. There they are. Boom. Anyhow, thanks a lot for watching. I'm wrapping this day up. Time to go have some fun.